So I've been asked this question a lot. What is an AI agent? Well, let me ask you something. Do you want a chatbot that just answer your questions, or you want an AI that can do think step by step, call tools and APIs, make decisions, remember what it did earlier, and complete a full task like booking a ticket or filling your expenses? And that's the difference between a regular chatbot and an AI agent. Well, let's break it down. An AI agent is an LLM that can decide, reason and act using tools and memory to achieve a goal. It's like giving ChatGPT a brain, a hands, and a memory. Instead of just generating answer, the agent can pick the right function or tool, track steps in a task, handle error, and even decide what to do next, just like human. Think of like a human agent at a train booking counter. You don't just say, hey, give me a ticket. You tell me the place, time, budget. They check everything, suggest options, confirm details, and, book it, give you the final ticket. So AI agent at this point is basically taking your prompt, then, plans all these steps required, uses the tools which we have seen in the previous videos, and finally give you a final output. And this is what it makes it a complete autonomous ecosystem. We've already seen what agent can do to us using a function call, right? For an LLM to become a true agent, well, it needs certain functionality, which means it needs first a reasoning ability, which means it can think in steps like chain of thought or react. Then it needs to have the tool access, which means it can call APIs, search engines, databases, etc. It needs to have the memory, which means a short term or long term. Short term means, hey, what did I do earlier in this session? A long term, what's the user preference? Or finally, a loop, right? Which means it keeps trying steps until the task is done. Well, it's not a one shot response, it's basically conversation loop with a lot of actions into play. So where do you see these AI agents today? LangChain agents, AutoGPT, OpenAI assistants, API, Hugging Face, Transformer agent, Google Gemini in tool using mode, Microsoft Copilot. Well, they use multiple steps, tools, memories, all behind the scenes, and you can build your own tool in just few lines of Python, which we already saw a couple of examples to it. So why does matter? Well, let's say you are basically building right a tax filing assistant in tax filing assistant, probably a college admission helper, chatbot that helps farmers find crop prices, a tool for doctors to log patient notes, and all of these you need the AI agent to take input, call external tool, follow steps, and return a final structured output. And these are not just responses; these are the agents basically doing the real work. So in this model, you will learn what makes an AI agent, how LangChain and Hugging Face create agents, what planning strategies they use, which means like the React or AutoGPT style loops, and how to build your own agent with tools, memory, and safe features. So by the end of this, you'll know how to turn a simple chatbot into a true LLM agent. And remember, all AI agents are the future of automation. You won't just build a chatbot, you will build smart assistant that plan, act, and even learn. So in the coming video, we'll talk about how do we design an LangChain agent architecture, how it wires together your tools, memories, models, logic, and then we'll also build our first true AI agent as well. So hope to see you in the upcoming video.